crisis. Now, Sonia Gandhi has now launched a major attack on the centre, and she's penned a scathing article on environmental issues. She has now accused the government of disregarding the environment, promoting exploitation of resources and linking electoral bonds to environmental clearances. The Congress leader has also alleged that there has been undue corporate influence when it comes to policy making. And as far as the environment crisis is concerned, air pollution is now threatening when it comes to the lives of the people. However, linking of also other parts of corporate influence on environment policies is something that now she seems to be making the allegation against the government. So here is Sonia Gandhi penning this article there as far as the CPP chairperson, saying that she has written this article on environmental issues, and she's made other allegations as well, where she's called this as a dismal state of India's environment, and especially when it comes to the Modi government, where she is penned in the article, has now signed a death warrant and has already said, as far as denuding by illegal mining of the Aravallis, and also talking about as far as the disparate events are also concerned, she has been putting, as far as the onus now is concerned, on the state governments as well, which they have now been saying, Nyamika, that on the rise of population as well, all of these issues now need to be taken into regard, especially in the last decade. Sonia Gandhi claims that there has been deep-seated and continuing disregard for environment in government policy making.
Well, yes, indeed. This is a real attack which is coming in on the part of CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi upon the Modi government. As in this particular article which she has written in a news daily, she has basically made an attack upon Modi government, saying that since it has come to power, the government has displayed a particularly venal streak of cynicism in relation to environmental protection, combining its proclivity to encourage the reckless exploitation of natural resources. Not just that, she has mentioned about various issues, including illegal mining as well as air pollution. As the air pollution in particular, if we talk about, then it has also become a topic of discussion within the parliament as well. The manner in which continuously Congress party is raising a concern regarding the air quality index deteriorating in the Delhi NCR area. They have been continuously making this allegation upon the BJP government that it is not taking the appropriate steps to tackle this entire problem. That is also being mentioned by Sonia Gandhi in this particular article, as she has also mentioned in the kind of allegation which she has made upon the Modi government. She stated that high publicity initiatives such as National Clean Air Program has been largely underfunded, and even funds allocated have not been utilized. Not just that, but she in fact has also gone on to say that the electoral bonds data has also showed that in the name of environment.
I'm just going to put out that as far as this article is concerned, that has been penned by Sonia Gandhi, now the CPP chairperson, and this is certainly an excerpt coming in from that article where she has now mentioned, as far as when it comes to the title of this article, that says the dismal state of India's environment, and she is now taking on the government there in this article, where she says that the Aravalli range, which runs from Gujarat through Rajasthan until Haryana, has long played a significant role in Indian geography and history, and the Modi government has now really signed a death warrant for the hills already denuded by illegal mining. It has declared that any hills in the range with an elevation of less than 100 meters are not subject to the strictures against mining. It is an open invitation for illegal miners and mafia to finish off 90% of the range, which falls below the height limit set by the government, and there is a deep-seated and continuing disregard for the environment in government policy making, is the charge that is now being leveled by Sonia Gandhi in this article that she has penned against the government. But in the meantime, let's take